What's the meaning of climatically? Climatically. Climatically.
Climatically. Climatically. Climatically refers to something related to climate or the weather patterns of a particular region or area. It can be used to describe the overall conditions and changes in the temperature, precipitation, humidity, and atmospheric pressure over time. These changes have significant impacts on ecosystems, agriculture, infrastructure, and human life in general. With the rise of global temperatures, climatic changes have become more severe and unpredictable, leading to extreme weather events such as floods, droughts, wildfires, and hurricanes, which pose significant challenges for society in terms of adaptation, mitigation, and resilience.